All right, we've uncovered 20 new remote jobs for you that don't necessitate a college degree. My team and I dedicated extensive effort to this video, conducting research spanning 117 pages, equivalent to writing a book. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is the role of a vehicle return clerk, tasked with coordinating vehicle returns between auto manufacturers and customers. For instance, in cases of vehicle recalls, ensuring seamless coordination is crucial. Did you know that General Motors initiated the first automotive buyback program in the 1990s? It aimed to repurchase defective vehicles from customers, prioritizing safety and customer satisfaction. This role pays between $39,000 and $58,000 annually and is relatively easy to enter, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next up is the candidate care position, where professionals provide personalized support to job applicants throughout the recruitment process. Efficiency and smoothness in recruitment are vital for attracting top-tier employees. This role typically pays between $67,000 and $111,000 a year and places more emphasis on communication skills and personality rather than specific degrees or experiences. It receives an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we have the SEO Client Onboarding Specialist role, crucial for SEO agencies to effectively onboard clients and boost their online presence. SEO, or search engine optimization, plays a significant role in ensuring websites rank higher on platforms like Google. If you're interested in learning more about growing and monetizing YouTube channels, check out my upcoming live training session. SEO Client Onboarding Specialists earn between $58,000 and $91,000 annually and are rated 8.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Next up is a remote cancer registrar, where you analyze cancer data from home, tracking clinical information about patients. This role offers a chance to contribute to cancer research and treatment, and it's relatively easy to enter. Cancer registrars earn approximately $45,000 to $78,000 annually. Another medical-related career worth considering is that of a provider network coordinator. In this role, you'd manage reports for various departments to ensure smooth operations, earning about $60,000 to $100,000 a year. Then we have the web design QA specialist position, focused on ensuring quality in web design projects. While previous experience is typically required, this role offers a salary range of $81,000 to $133,000 annually. Similarly, the web tester and quality assurance analyst role pays about $77,000 to $130,000 a year. An intriguing option is the psychedelic guide position, supporting clients through therapy sessions involving psychedelics. This role specializes in mental health and wellness and is becoming increasingly popular, particularly in states like Oregon, where it's legalized. Psychedelic guides earn around $92,000 to $167,000 annually. Integration coaches offer similar support through psychedelic journeys, earning approximately $96,000 to $171,000 a year. Next up is an Amazon advertising specialist. As you likely know, Amazon is a massive company, generating billions of dollars annually. Amazon specialists focus on advertising strategies within the Amazon platform, particularly for sellers or FBA specialists. These specialists typically earn between $60,000 to $107,000 per year. Given the specialized nature of this field, formal education in it is rare, but individuals can acquire skills through online courses or certifications. Moving on, we have remote job developers, akin to career GPS, aiding individuals in securing employment opportunities. Typically, they earn anywhere from $13 to $21 per hour, often working with government agencies or organizations focused on job placement. This role doesn't usually require a college degree, but benefits from strong communication and interpersonal skills. Another position worth exploring is the disposition coordinator, similar to a vehicle return clerk, assisting individuals in returning their vehicles to manufacturers. This role, which pays about $63,000 to $104,000 annually, is relatively accessible, often requiring minimal experience or formal education. Next, we have escalation specialists, adept at soothing irate customers. These professionals, sometimes referred to as the Karen Whisperer, handle escalated customer service issues, earning approximately $45,000 to $75,000 annually. This role typically doesn't require extensive prior experience or a college degree. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Following that is the debit card support representative, who assists banking clients with technical inquiries and transactions. Debit cards have been around since the 1960s, revolutionizing banking. Representatives in this role earn around $42,000 to $64,000 per year and often require minimal prior experience or education. Next, we have apartment locators, acting as matchmakers between renters or buyers and available properties. This role pays exceptionally well, with annual earnings ranging from $102,000 to $116,000. Apartment locators typically don't need a college degree or extensive prior experience. Next up is a labor clerk responsible for managing time cards and pay-related matters. This role entails monitoring employees' hours, including breaks and overtime, to ensure accurate compensation. Labor clerks typically earn between $57,000 to $85,000 per year. While some positions may require previous experience, a college degree is often unnecessary. Following that is a pricing analyst, supporting pricing strategies and proposal development in finance or business sectors. Pricing analysts, earning approximately $75,000 to $113,000 annually, play a crucial role in navigating complex pricing dynamics. While some positions may require a college degree or prior experience, entry into this field is generally accessible. Next, we have an insurance process support specialist, tasked with administering insurance processes meticulously. These specialists earn between $55,000 to $88,000 annually. This role typically does not require a college degree and offers opportunities for those with attention to detail to thrive. Moving on, we have a regression specialist, ensuring software quality by conducting regression testing. These specialists, earning approximately $76,000 to $133,000 per year, play a vital role in maintaining software integrity. While some positions may require technology-related experience, entry into this field is relatively straightforward. Lastly is an Epic analyst, specializing in electronic medical record technology, particularly with the widely used Epic software. Epic analysts earn between $71,000 to $121,000 annually. This role offers lucrative opportunities for individuals with a deep understanding of healthcare software systems. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.